अंग्रेजी की कहानी को आसानी से समझना चाहते हैं तो बस वाक्यों को छोटे छोटे हिस्सों में तोड़कर पढ़ें और देखिए कैसे आपकी समझ में जादू हो जाता है। इसे और मज़ेदार बनाने के लिए मैं आपके लिए एक छोटी और दिलचस्प कहानी लेकर आया हूँ। इसे पढ़ें, इसका आनंद लें और हाँ, आगे से ऐसे ही शानदार टिप्स पाने के लिए इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। The Clever Rabbit and the Hungry Fox. Once upon a time, a clever rabbit has lived in a dense forest. He has always used his wit to escape danger. One day, a hungry fox has spotted the rabbit and has decided to catch him for lunch. The fox has hidden behind a bush and has waited for the rabbit to come closer. The rabbit, being smart, has noticed some rustling in the bushes. He has realized that something is not right. The rabbit has thought of a plan. He has started hopping around and has pretended to talk to himself, saying, I have heard that a big lion has entered this forest. I must be careful. The fox, hearing this, has become scared. He has believed the rabbit's words and has run away, thinking the lion might catch him. The rabbit has smiled and has hopped away happily, safe once again. This story has taught us that quick thinking can save us from trouble.